Hey there, it's Simon. How are you? I hope you're good. Today we're going to have a go at You've Got a Friend, the James Taylor style version of Carole King's amazing song. I will see you soon. Alright, so first up we're got a capo here at the 2nd fret, and we are going to play a regular G chord. So it's going to be just... So that's quavers, 1 and 2 and. This is very straightforward. We're going to go thumb, first finger, third finger, 1. And then we're going to move our second finger on our left hand to catch the 2nd fret there. So, and all the time that is ringing so that you get G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? The next bar we've got C. Okay, so it's like a C, C sus2 kind of thing. Alright, so we've got 3, open, open, 1, 3. Okay, so that we're going to go thumb on our right hand, thumb, top string, thumb again. Okay. And then we're going to do a hammer on. We're going to pinch the 6th, 1st and 2nd strings all at the same time. We're going to, okay, it's like a grace note or an incidental there, so, yeah. Okay, so you're going to get same fingers as before, using your 2nd finger on the A. Okay, and then F sharp minor. We're going to pinch. With a F sharp minor, usually you would play this sort of thing. You could also do this sort of thing if you were so inclined. But we're just going to put I'm just going to use my first finger flat because we're going to do next chord in a second is going to be a B, so we're already in the right place. So we're going to pinch 3 and 6, and then walk. So that's 3 and 6, 4, 2, 3, F sharp minor 7. And then put your 3rd and 4th fingers on the 4th and 5th frets, the 4th and 2nd strings respectively, and you're going to get a B7 sus4, and it's going to go, and then you're going to make that sus4, sorry, just a regular B7. Okay, so you're going to get B7 sus4, and then B. Okay, so that's your 4 bars of intro. You're going to go like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 almost ran out. Excuse me. All right, now the next part is the verse, and we are going to play a whole bunch of pretty regular chords. Now, to make things easier, we're going to have a sort of set pattern. We're going to play 1, and you're going to pinch 1 and 2 and. So I'm going to go 1 on the bass, then I'm going to pick a string in the middle. This time I've picked the D string, so. Okay, so I've got 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So first up, just get used to that one, that kind of bouncy situation. Now, I'm not sure if this happens on James Taylor's record or not, but we're going to change the bass notes as we go through to make the sort of, to give it a bit of forward momentum. So we can play E minor, and then a B bass. Now that is always going to sound good. If you pick the 5th of a chord, so for example we're in E minor here, so E minor, E, F sharp, G, A, B. So B is the 5th note there. So you've got E, bass, then you're going to strike a B. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we're going to go to an open B7 chord. There we've got B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp. That's why while we're hitting that one. Okay, so then E minor, half a bar, B7, half a bar, E minor 7. So my E minor 7, there's my flat 7. Okay, and then we're going to play an A minor 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then a regular D sus4, G. Now, in this 8th bar, we can put the 3rd bar from the intro in. So, and then we go to F sharp minor, B7, this time we're going to play a bar because we're just there, right? E minor, B7, E minor 7, A minor 7, B minor 7, and then D7 sus4, which sounds terrifying. Here's a D7, here's the sus4. Okay? And then we can do this nice walk down. So how that walk down works, here's D7. So I pinched those guys together, and then I bounced, lifted my 3rd finger up, effectively played a D9, and then I played, what did I play? Yeah, D with an A bass. And then I lifted my little finger up. So I got D7, 9, D5 effectively, and then D7 again. But you get that kind of thing. And then we get to G. Winter, G major 7. Now when you're playing the G, if you play it kind of backwards instead of forwards, yeah, like that, then if you play that way, it makes the major 7 much easier. Here's an F sharp on top of that, so you're basically going, that's it. And then we get C major 7, sorry, A minor 7, then D7, sus4, G major 7, back to D7, sus4. We can do that. G major 7, C major 7, A minor 7. Now, here we can just play the chords like we've been doing. Something I quite like to do, I quite like to play this. So, 1st finger flat at the 5th fret away from the capo. This is really a C major 7. But just run your fingers through like that so you can get this, some melody notes there. Okay, so, and then play your 2nd finger on B. This basically looks like exactly like a G chord. So we can catch the melody. Okay, so, and then the G. And then open E underneath, and then A minor 7, strings 5 through 2, and then the D7 sus4. So that fancy, not that hard. Good combination. All right, now, then it effectively plays that intro again, and then it plays the verse again, and then it plays the chorus again, exactly the same. Okay, then we have the bridge, so we've got that, and then we're going to put our little finger on G. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C and 2 and bass change it, 4 and G, B, major 7, C major, F major 7, E minor 7, A major, and then back into the, you can do with that as well. It's quite nice. You get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So what I just did there is I played the D7 sus4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just walking down those notes. And then you're back into the chorus. And all that. Do you want to hear me sing, right? D. C major 7. And then pretty, huh? Okay, now one thing I would add is that you can really make anything of this song because it's just so brilliant. You know, on the record, James Taylor's record, he's got some lead guitar stuff going on. So like in the 8th and 16th bars of the verse over that G, you've got that sort of stuff. It's just a A to B, catching the D. B7, E minor. Just a pentatonic. A minor 7. D7 sus4. G. Major 7 chorus. Do you see what I mean? So you can play and so on and so forth. You really can do a lot with this song. You just need to remember that those notes of G major are just there. And for the most part, all the chords are in key apart from the B7s. So, you know, it's going to be a really great thing to be able to. See what I mean? So C, A minor 7, all those sorts of licks. You can really just sort of make it up as you go along, which is one of the reasons that this song is so fun to play. So thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope this really, really helped. If you'd like the chart, just go to simonmorrell.com/free-chart. If you are able to support the channel, plans start from only $3 a month and you get early access to all of these YouTube videos and a bunch of extra stuff as well. If you can subscribe, please do. Hit the bell as well and you will get told when there is a new lesson on Tuesdays and on Saturday mornings. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you later. I hope you enjoy this great tune, You've Got a Friend.